Before you turn off your coffee machine, you need first to check that this water waste storage is empty, and if it's not, empty it. So in order to check if it's empty, you pull off the lever and you look inside. If you can see the liquid, it's not empty and you need to clean it. In order to clean it, you gently pull it off, put this thing on the side, carry this thing to the here, and just twist it here. For improved quality, you rinse it with a little bit of water and pull it back. Once you're done, you carry it back and you plug it in. Don't forget to put on the cover. Also, in some cases, it's a good thing to clean here. Water tank refill. Whenever the water gets too low in the water tank refill, it's a good idea to take it out and refill, even if you're not responsible for the machine maintenance for this month. In order to do this, remove the superior cover, put it on the side, pull out this thing from its support by the provided handle, bring it over to the water supply. In our case, we're going to use this machine with filtered water for better maintenance, longer duration. Fill it up until the maximum point. In this case, we're not going to fill it up until the maximum point for the purposes of the video.
Should it always be in a full, status? You need to fill the entire tank or not?
It's better to fill entire tank, or at least until the filter is covered. So the filter is just here, so you need to fill it until it's covered here. The maximum volume is supposed to be somewhere around here. Yeah, around here. So do not fill over this volume. Once you've finished filling, put it back. Make sure that these guys go inside these slots. In order to do this, pull it back into tank, press this side against this side of the machine, and keep sliding down. When you feel a click, it's finished. Pull back the cover, and the water filling is basically done. In order to refill the milk container, the machine has to be off. The milk container, first, pull off the sonde. The milk sonde, store it on the side in the machine. Now, pull out the entire cooling system. This is your milk container. Untwist the top on the quadrature and pull it up. Now you have access to the milk container. The inside is sterile. Please don't pull your fingers into it to make the milk turn bad. Go to the fridge, grab your milk bottle, refill the milk container towards the top. Take the top element once again. If it has a little bit milk on it, this milk is not cooled. It needs to be rinsed away in order not to turn bad. Once you rinsed it, shake it off. Put it on. Make sure that it's actually on, and then close it with a quadrature. Now lift it by the top, put it back into the coolant step, and return the milk sonde into it. Actually, in order to insert the milk sonde, you need to make sure that this ray aligns with this ray, and this ray aligns with this ray. Otherwise, it will not come in easily. Once the milk has been inserted, your milk is now ready to use. Yes. In order to turn on the machine, you press the turn on button. It says coffee ready and is basically ready to go. So you take your coffee cup, you put it here if you want an espresso or a normal coffee, and you put it here if you want a cappuccino or latte. So in my case, I really like cappuccino. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check that the selector is pointed on milk source. You can adjust it by rotating it. This is hot water. This is hot water portion, like if you want coffee. This is a milk portion if you want a hot cocoa. Right now we're going to put it on milk, and we're going to press the cappuccino. It's going to show the drink it's preparing and the step it's preparing. So in order to prepare cappuccino or any other drinks, it's going to start the cappuccino part, it's going to froth the milk. When the milk frothing is done, a small clock appears here. You have to wait until it's finished, and the second part with cappuccino appears. That's where the coffee grinding and preparation will happen. You have to wait until the bar is fully finished. And an enjoy your coffee appears. In this case, you can retract, pull it out. Milk cleaning. So basically, after you prepared a cappuccino or a latte, your coffee machine, when you shut it down, will ask to be clean and cappuccined. So first thing that you'll need to do is to prepare a cleansing solution for the sand. To do this, take a big container, fill it with hot water, and add 50 milliliters of the cleaning solution. In order to measure 15 milliliters, use the measuring cup provided with your cleaning solution bottle. Push firmly on the cap, untwist it, add up to the 15 milliliter ring here. Pour it into your water and put the water nearby the machine. Pull out your sand carefully. Pull it inside the solution, mix a little bit. In case the solution has already been prepared by someone else, just pull off the sand and drop it into your solution. Now you're ready to switch off the machine. Push the off button. It will ask you to rinse. Press rinse to clean the cappuccino. And it will request you to put the cleaner of cappuccino, which is contained in this bottle. Great. While it is doing its job, take a new cup and fill it with water from the water container. Now, once the first part of the cleaning is finished, it will request you water for cappuccino. Use this cup, insert the sand in it, throw off the water that has been previously used, put it back in, and clean and rinse a second time. This will allow the cleaning agent to be chased away from your solution by clean water, so that the next time the cappuccino is prepared, it's good and tasty and ready to go. It is important to use high quality water because of the taste that you're going to get next time you try to prepare a cappuccino or a milk. Now it's going to clean the coffee. You can just rinse once again and return the sand into milk. Your machine will now shut down itself. You can throw the remaining water and the dirt here, and you're basically done for the day. It's better to clean once again all the water systems. Remove the top panel, like we've already shown you in a previous video. Remove this entire thing. Make sure to throw it away and sit a little bit for best effect.
Okay.
Let it sit to dry a little bit. And most importantly, remove the grounds. Disinfect the ground container. Put back the liquid waste handler. And finally, the steel protection element. Your machine is ready now to be switched off.